baby. Walk in the club, my heater, baby. Damn, hello, good evening, baby. I'm having cheat like Vader, baby. I mean, my hate ain't seen me lately. Until I pull up in the drop top. Got your bruh cold in a crop top. You want smoke, we gon' make it a hot box.
Loser.
Alright, y'all. So what I got for y'all today is I ordered the Vader body kit for the Mini. There is nothing online I can find about this body kit. I can't find pictures, I can't find a video or nothing. So took a chance, ordered off a Car ID. I think I paid $5 something for the kit. Shipping was $2 something. So it came out to be like $8 something. I don't know the exact number. But I got the front bumper already unpackaged. I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage the rest of it and then we'll talk about it. All right, y'all, so I got the kit unpackaged, and this kit is very well put together, I will say. So far I've only found one little mark that I gotta show some little attention to, but I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna show y'all the quality of this kit. This is a Duraflex fiberglass kit. I mean, it's got like a few little scuff marks, nothing that, you know, couldn't stand out except for one part, and I'll get to that. Let me look over this kit while I have y'all look with me. I'm just saying that back smooth a little bit. It's got a few pinholes too as well. That I don't mind, you know, that's an easy fix. My main concern is cracks and, you know, heavy damage. Nothing a little light body work. Nothing a little light body work couldn't get out. Here we are at the mark that I was saying. Let's see if you guys can see about this light. That is the only mark that I can see that is actually cracked, which is not a big deal because I can fix that as well. There's no holes drilled. There's no hardware. I don't believe I've seen any hardware. If there was any hardware, I'll put it on the screen to let y'all know. But as of right now, there's no hardware. For the most part, all I'm seeing is just needs a light sanding, primer, maybe a little, fix a little pinholes, a little Bondo or something, or resin, fiberglass resin or something. Primer it, and I think it'll be ready for paint. Got a few pinholes on that one. Clean off the tape marks. But yeah, it's crazy that I didn't see nothing online about this Vader body kit. This kit is very well put together. I mean, I'm saying that now before I try to put it on and see the fitment, but overall, for the visual appearance, it looks really good. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this short little video. I do plan on making a video of me putting it on the car. I think I am, at least. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.